This is a short video about the 1/2 by 4 1/4 inch zinc plated wedge anchor. This particular anchor is designed for fastening items to concrete. It should never be used in brick or block based materials. It's also zinc plated, so it should only be used in dry atmospheres. The description, the first number, 1/2 inch, refers to the diameter of the anchor, which is 1/2 inch. The 4 1/4 refers to the length of the anchor, 4 1/4 inches, and that's measured from end to end. The diameter of the hole that you need to drill in the concrete for the 1/2 by 4 1/4 zinc plated wedge anchor is 1/2 inch. So diameter of the anchor equals diameter of the hole in the concrete. Now, the fixture, the diameter of the hole in the fixture needs to be slightly larger, which is about 9/16, minimum 9/16, to allow the anchor to be placed through the fixture and into the concrete. The hole also needs to be drilled about 1/2 inch deeper than the anchor will penetrate the concrete. And that allows for any dust material to go into when you're installing the anchor. This anchor, the 1/2 by 4 1/4 inch wedge anchor, needs to be installed in the concrete a minimum of 2 1/4 inches into the concrete. Okay, and the maximum fixture thickness for this anchor is 2 inches. So you got 2 inches above the ground, 2 1/4 inch minimum embedment depth. The anchors need to be spaced away from each other so that they don't interfere with each other's holding values, a minimum of 10 anchor diameters. And that's 5 inches with a 1/2 inch. That's 5 anchor diameters away from each other minimum. And that's a rule of thumb. Now, as far as fastening this anchor down close to an edge of an unsupported piece of concrete, it is 2 1/2 inches or 5 anchor diameters. And that's, again, minimum, and that's just a rule of thumb. Once you hammer this anchor into the concrete, it needs to be torqued to a minimum of 50 to 60 foot-pounds to ensure proper holding values. Each of these anchors are stamped with the letter F, and that's for the 1/2 by 4 1/4 inch zinc plated wedge anchor. That allows for post-installed inspection in case somebody wants to come by and know how deep the anchor is installed. They know by the F that it's 4 1/4 inches, and then they can measure the length above the concrete, and they can then know how deep the anchor is installed in the concrete. If you need to buy this anchor, go to our website at www.confast.com.